Twin Cities, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, February 20th, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 27 degrees, and the low 24 for a mean temperature of 26 degrees. 0.85 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.89 inches. This is 0.38 inches above the normal amount of 0.51 inches for February. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 1.89 inches, which is 0.34 inches above normal. 11.8 inches of snow fell yesterday, which breaks the daily record of 4.2 inches set in 1979, and brings the monthly total to 12.5 inches. This is 6.7 inches above the normal amount of 5.8 inches for February. The total snowfall for the year now stands at 72.9 inches, which is 33.0 inches above normal. There were 39 heating degree days yesterday, which is 5 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 897, which is 42 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 5,407, which is 275 below normal. The highest wind gust observed was 36 miles an hour from the northeast. Yesterday the average wind speed was 14 miles an hour. The normal high temperature for today is 31 degrees, and the normal low is 14. The record high for today is 59, which occurred in 1930, and the record low is -21, which occurred in 1873. Sunrise today is at 7:04 a.m. and sunset is at 5:49 p.m. The Chanhassen, Minnesota climate summary for yesterday, February 20th, 2011. Yesterday's high temperature was 26 degrees and the low 22. 0.87 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 0.92 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 1.90 inches. 11.0 inches of snow fell yesterday. There were 41 heating degree days yesterday. This brings the monthly total to 948. The yearly total since July 1st is 5,753. Bands of light to moderate snowfall tapering off today, and lighter snowfall and freezing drizzle over south-central Minnesota. Snow was tapering off over much of the region this morning, with the exception of a small part of east-central Minnesota. Here, moderate snow will continue into the morning with an additional accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible. A winter storm warning remains in effect until noon for the area northeast of the line from Little Falls, Cambridge, Osceola, and Ladysmith. A winter weather advisory is in effect for the morning over west-central Minnesota, west of the line from St. Cloud to Redwood Falls. An additional 1 to 3 inches of accumulation could occur during the morning along with some blowing and drifting snow. Finally, a winter weather advisory is in effect for the remainder of central and south-central Minnesota into west-central Wisconsin for today. Additional accumulation from 1 to 3 inches is possible during the day along with areas of blowing and drifting snow. Areas of freeing drizzle will be possible across far southern Minnesota into the afternoon. This blast of wintry weather is due to an area of low pressure and low pressure trough moving across Iowa and over Illinois today. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Today, snow in the morning, possibly mixed freezing drizzle, then a chance of snow in the afternoon. Snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Highs 20 to 25. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening then becoming partly cloudy. Lows 5 to 10. East winds 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs around 25. Southeast winds 10 miles an hour. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows 15 to 20. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now for the extended forecast. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of light snow. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows around 20. Thursday and Thursday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows around 5. Friday and Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Highs around 15. Lows near 0. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Highs around 15. Lows around 5. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 20. Again, the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area for today: patchy blowing and drifting snow in the morning. Snow in the morning, then a chance of snow in the afternoon. Snow accumulation of 2 to 3 inches. Highs 20 to 25. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
This is the Twin City Metropolitan Area Weather Radio Station, KAC 65, serving a portion of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, on an assigned frequency of 162.55 MHz, and transmit from the KSTP television tower in St. Paul. The current time is 8:12 a.m. Central Standard Time.
At 8 a.m. in the Twin Cities, freezing drizzle and light snow were reported. The visibility was 3 miles. It was 23 degrees, or -5 degrees Celsius. The dew point was 18. The relative humidity was 81%. The wind was east at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 29. The wind chill was 8. The pressure was 29.83 inches and rising. Around the metro, temperatures were between 19 and 23 degrees. At Eden Prairie, freezing rain was falling. At Blaine, freezing drizzle was falling. At Lake Elmo, snow was falling. It was cloudy at St. Paul and Lakeville. Around the state, snow was falling, with a temperature of 19 at St. Cloud, 15 at Brainerd, and 18 at Duluth. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 24 at Rochester, and 0 at International Falls. Across the Dakotas,